Now, in other business news, petrochemical giant Sasol expects a more than 20% jump in annual earnings for the year ending June 30th, 2025, with a sharp turnaround from last year's loss. Moreover, in a trading update, the company cautioned that final adjustments may still impact earnings per share. Despite Tuesday's 3.6% share price dip, Sasol says it's largely on track with financial and volume targets, except at the Secunda and Netref sites, where Q4 disruptions hit output. Additionally, the group highlights strong liquidity and tight cost control. Research analyst Zimela Mbanjwa breaks down the results and outlook.
So Sasol provided a sales and production report for the financial year ended June 2025. In fact, in this report, they included a somewhat of a trading statement to give some guidance for earnings expectations when the results come out come the 25th of August. So, from an operational standpoint, sales as well as production was pretty much in line with management's previous guidance. In fact, I think what we really saw there was the initial evidence of this shift towards a more value over volume approach that management is now taking to sort of turn around the business. However, I have to say the share price closed around 6% lower, or over 6% lower. In fact, it was the worst performing stock on the JSE yesterday, mostly because the management, well, first of all, they didn't provide guidance for FY26, and also there was no real clarity as far as the trading statement is concerned. So earnings expectations, they said that they expect EPS to be at least 20% higher. Last year they recorded a loss of over 60 Rand. In EPS, most of it, in fact, all of it being due to remeasurements and impairments. The headline earnings per share measure, which is, I think, for the most part, universally the most reliable one, as it only considers the recurring items, that there was no clarity around what to expect from that. So I think that's part of the reason why the market wasn't impressed by the filing. However, Sasol did say that they'll be providing a clearer trading statement towards the 25th of August, where they'll be releasing their full year results.